You probably remember your childhood days when your mom or grandmother used to talk about the benefits of oatmeal while you grudgingly tried to finish your serving. What we realize after a few years is that oats are simple to cook and the benefits of eating oatmeal at night or anytime during the day are numerous. Here are some of the proven health benefits of eating oatmeal. Reduce the risk of diabetes. Blood sugar levels are an important consideration in a person's overall health and wellness. Sugar or glucose levels give us energy. Foods that are rich in processed sugar give people an immediate sugar rush, a feeling of energy, but are often closely followed by a crash or the period during which the sugar has been processed and eliminated from the body. Clean, whole, unprocessed forms of sugar and carbohydrates including whole grain oats and fruits release sugar into the body more slowly, meting out prolonged and appropriate cellular energy. Prolonged levels of high blood sugar, or blood sugar that cannot be maintained naturally by the body, can cause damage to the organs. Diabetes sufferers, who have an imbalance in the hormone insulin, cannot control their blood sugar levels or process them on their own. For both diabetics and non-diabetics, it is healthier to maintain moderate and consistent sugar levels in the blood. Oats can help with this. Because of the beta-glucan in oats, which, when digested, creates a gel barrier on the intestines, oats can help slow the absorption of excess processed sugars and carbs. In addition, because oats are whole, unprocessed source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, as they break down, they release stable amounts of sugar into the body. Furthermore, because oats are linked to decreases in obesity, and obesity is one risk factor for developing diabetes, oats may also help prevent the development of diabetes in pre-diabetic patients. Lower blood pressure. A normal, stable blood pressure is essential for maintaining a healthy life. Without proper blood pressure, the blood cannot circulate efficiently through your body, which means nutrients, oxygen, and immune responses cannot be properly dispersed. Patients whose blood pressure is too high or too low are often put on medication to stabilize the pressure. But some studies have shown that eating oatmeal can be just as effective as medication for maintaining a healthy blood pressure. Oatmeal contains high levels of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber which, when digested, forms a type of gel that coats the intestines and prevents the absorption of bad cholesterol. This, in turn, reduces the amount of plaque building up in a person's arteries and consequently lowers blood pressure. Higher levels bad cholesterol and arterial plaque force the heart to work harder and produce great pressure to move the heart through the restricted arteries. The unique and amazing nutritional and digestive properties of oatmeal helps patients efficiently, safely, and non-pharmaceutically reduce their blood pressure. Reduce the risk of obesity. Obesity is one of the biggest health problems in the world. 39% of adults aged 18 years and over were overweight in recent years, and 13% were obese. Obesity is often treated with a combination of behavioral therapy, diet and exercise, and, in some cases, weight loss medication or surgery. Eating clean, whole foods, therefore, is an essential element in the treatment of obesity. Because of its high fiber content, oats keep you feeling full longer. This satiety, as well as the positive benefits oats have on digestion due to its high levels of beta-glucan, mean that consumers of oats tend to eat less and absorb fewer problematic compounds from their diet. Regular consumption of oats have been linked to lower weight, lower body mass index, and lower overall caloric intake. All of these are key elements in reducing obesity. Lower your risk of colorectal cancer. Colorectal cancers are insidious illnesses that do not always present with early symptoms, making them more difficult to identify. Medical research suggests that eating a diet high in fiber, especially the fiber provided by whole grain cereals such as oats, can reduce the risk of colon cancers. Several prominent British universities concluded in an in-depth study that for every 10 addition grams of fiber a person adds to his or her diet, the risk of colorectal cancers is reduced by 10%. Since 1/2 cup of dry oats contains 4 grams of fiber, they are an ideal addition to a diet geared toward colon cancer prevention. Considering all the health benefits available in oats, it is important to find creative, delicious, and varied ways to incorporate oats into a well-balanced diet.